So HOTWAV has announced the HOTWAV Cyber 16 Pro, a new 4G rugged phone from the brand. The Cyber 16 Pro is expected to be the successor of the Cyber 15. The device is also packed with interesting features and specs, including a rear display, a rectangular rear display that you can use to check time, play music, check notifications, battery health, and so on. The device is also packed with specs, including a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. The phone is 12.8mm thick and it weighs 292 grams. The device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 processor, which means it is not a 5G phone, but this processor is still quite nice and capable. The phone utilizes 8GB RAM and it has 512GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a micro SD card. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup led by a 108MP main sensor, followed by a 24MP night vision camera. Its front-facing camera is 32MP, which is okay for video calls and selfies. The phone packs a massive 6280 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as reverse charging. It ships with the Android 15 OS. I don't know if this device would get the Android 16, but I highly doubt it. It's probably stuck with the Android 15, but it is still nice. The phone supports NFC, OTG. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. The device also supports glove mode. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock support, and so on. So there you have it, guys, the HOTWAV Cyber 16 Pro. As you can see, the device is packed with really nice features and specs, and as I mentioned earlier, since it's a HOTWAV device, it's going to be very affordable. Okay, and I'll share the release date and price for you guys when they are available, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, what do you think about the HOTWAV Cyber 16 Pro? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.